Hi, Boris here from 500 Madness, and today what we're going to do is show you how to install the short shifter adapter in your Fiat 500 from SILA Concepts. This is a nice, easy install, and is also an economical way to convert your factory shifter into a short shifter. So I'm going to bring out Bill, our shop manager here in Texas, and he's going to show you how to install this little baby. And as always, if you ever have a question, give us a call, drop us an email, we'll be happy to help. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Bill, shop manager, Madness Auto Works Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install the SILA short shifter adapter on your Fiat 500. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is pop off this cover. Okay, there's two electricals. You use your thumb, take your window switches loose, undo the clip, pull it straight down. There you go. Now you can lift the boot up like this. All right. The next thing we're going to do is disconnect the cables. All right. Next step is you're going to pry off these cables. You can use a pry bar, a screwdriver. You can even use pliers. Some people use pliers. There you go. There you go. Just walk that one off. It's a little tougher because you don't have to pry against. But there's a little valley you can get in right there. There you go. Use pliers. Now you're free. Just kind of pop it and pop it. Okay. I'm going to hold all this up. And then you can take a small screwdriver and so you just got to working them in. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Tilt it. And you got it. And we'll go take this to the bench and install our piece. Now what you're going to do is open your Loctite, your blue Loctite. And you're going to put a little Loctite on threads. And a little Loctite on there as well. And then you're going to sandwich the short shifter over the piece. Just like that. Just like that. Once you got this all Loctited tight, you're gonna put it back in the car and get your white piece re-clicked in. Give it a good shove. Now we're gonna reattach our cables and put our cover back on. Line it up. Push it on. All right. So you're gonna plug in the window switches, and you're gonna go ahead and push this down, lock it in place, fix your boot, and then roll through all your gears, make sure she shifts smoothly, and you're good. All right, that is how you install the SILA Concept short shift adapter in your Fiat 500. We're gonna go ahead and get the owner of the car over here and let him drive it and see how he likes it.
Oh snap. Definitely a lot tighter than it used to be. So much shorter going like for your first and second, third, fourths. Just like a little flick of the wrist and you're in the gear. Used to feel like I had to hunt around and find like third and fourth, and now just firm, tight, it's in there. For as quick and easy as that was to throw in, it's definitely a huge improvement. Yeah, almost like race car style level for pocket change.